始まるよ。
Hi, I'm Gashakin GT. Welcome to Go Go Biku Town.
Gashakin, I want to see a Japanese vehicle making factory.
Okay then. Let's go to the factory that makes a ladder truck and the garbage truck.
Is this the factory that makes fire engines?
Yep, Lappy, look behind you.
Oh, wow! There's so many fire engines. That's a pumper truck, right? And this is the fire ambulance. What's this?
It's an airport chemical fire engine that comes into action when there's a fire at an airport.
There are so many different types.
Morita here is a company that makes fire engines. Half of the fire engines in Japan are made here. For ladder trucks in particular, 9 out of 10 are made at this company.
Really? That's incredible! I'm all set.
Hey, Lappy!
Huh? Who's that? Aha! Mr. Ladder Truck!
Hello, Lappy!
Hello!
Welcome to the factory. I hope you get a good look at how we're made.
Yes! Wow! So many fire engines are being made!
Apparently, 400 people work here and they make 700 fire engines a year.
Really? 700? That's amazing! Oh? I see something strange looking over there. It's red and it's twisty. What is that?
This is a pumper truck's piping. Water gets released after going through it.
So Mr. Pumper Truck's stomach is twisty. Gashakin, what vehicle is this going to be?
A ladder truck.
What? A ladder truck?
There are only the driver's seat and the engine now, but the body with shelves for firefighting equipment will be placed. And then the base frame of the ladder truck and the iron plate is added. After that, a frame to support the ladder and the gyro turntable to maintain a horizontal position. Finally, when the ladder is attached,
The ladder truck is complete. Now it's ready for work anytime.
Actually, not even close. It has to go through many checks.
Checks?
yep, first, the water discharge check. Things like whether water can actually be discharged and if it can be sprayed far. Then, the water to cool the body is inspected. That's because the body can get really hot at disaster sites. There are 800 other things to be checked.
That many?
Our job is to put out fires and rescue people. It would be disastrous if something doesn't work, so we go through strict checks. Lappy, there's going to be an operation check. Would you like to take part in it?
Really? Are you sure? Here I go! Wow, wow! It's going up so fast! I can look around into the distance. I feel like I've become a firefighter.
This ladder truck's ladder can go up to as high as about a 10-story building.
Really? Firefighters work in such high places.
Hey, Lappy!
Huh? Who's that?
Me! It's me!
Wow! What a cool garbage truck! Hello!
Hello, Lappy! Now, I'll give you a tour of the factory where we're made.
This is Morita Group's factory that makes fire engines, and the company where the garbage trucks are made is Morita Econos, a company within that group. About 800 garbage trucks are made a year.
Wow! That's really spacious!
This is where we're made.
Here, the parts for the garbage trucks are being made. Hard metal plates are being shaped and shaped.
I see. Oh, what is this big machine?
This is a device that uses a computer to cut the metal plate into accurate sizes and shapes.
Some of our parts are very complex shapes. But by using this device, several identical parts can be made in one go.
You're right! That's incredible!
We also have robots to do the difficult or dangerous work for us.
Now, let's go see the assembly factory. Here, the parts that were made earlier are assembled to make the garbage truck.
They're all black.
That's because the garbage truck will be neatly painted after they are assembled.
Goshokin, what is the square box over there?
The body part that holds all the collected garbage.
The body that holds the garbage is mounted onto the car body, which already has the driver's seat and the engine attached. And once the device to push in the garbage is connected, I'm almost done. Then, the device gets checked to make sure it works before I get my paint job.
Huh? Looking closely, I see that the area where the garbage gets loaded is moving differently.
You're very observant. The garbage truck has two ways to push in the collected garbage into its body.
Really?
First, the rotating plate type. The garbage is pushed by the internal plate that rotates.
What? The garbage disappeared!
And this is the press type. The garbage is pushed by a plate called the compression board that comes up the garbage.
Amazing!
After the devices are checked, what's left is the paint job. Because the colors differ depending on the area and company we're going to work for, we're painted accordingly with the specified colors.
That seems like a lot of work.
Once the painting is done, we're good to go.
The blue and green ones are just two out of the many different colored garbage trucks that are operating. We made a few new discoveries at a rarely visited factory, wouldn't you say?
Yes! Now I like the Lada truck and the garbage truck even more!
Go Go Biku Town is currently on YouTube. Go Go Biku Town, subscribe!
乗り物が